Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team is called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we have played, and I think we have finished all the missions for the strongest there is. There you go, guys, 23 out of 23. The hardest definitely is repeating take down Steven round 3 very hard because you have to do this 50 times and co-op stages take forever to finish. And with that said, guys, I accidentally claimed some prizes of submissions before, so let's leave that be and just claim all the rewards for all the other missions that we haven't claimed. And with that said, claim all. We get 50, 100, 150, 200 voucher Rs, several co-op sync orbs, 100 gems, and 150 gems, bringing the total to 250 gems from what we got today. And with that said, that is claiming everything. That was anticlimactic because we kind of already got some of them, so I'll be adding some exchange items thing. The strongest there is, guys, we have 2,397 of these limited time 5-star power-ups. I mean, we need 2,700 because 900 times 3 in order to get all these limited time power-ups. So 900 for the 5 stars, 900 for the 4 stars, 900 for the 3 stars. Apparently, we don't have enough yet. So I think we'll do this later on. And in the next video, we are going to unlock the level cap of Steven and bringing him to his maximum level. So, video short, but thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys while we level up Steven.